I guess all of us can see the question. We have come across a question of trigonometry for class 10. The question is 1 minus sine theta by 1 plus sine theta. That should be equals to sec theta minus tan theta whole square. Now, as we all know that this is our left hand side and this is our right hand side. So, in this question, you need to solve the left hand side and you need to prove that this equation is equals to this equation. Easy question, not very tough. Now see, whenever you get this kind of sums, that is the numerator and denominator is almost same, the only thing that is different is the sign. As you can see, in place of numerator it is minus sign and in case of denominator there is plus sign. What you need to do, first you need to rationalize it. How? Let's have a look. 1 minus sine theta by 1 plus sine theta multiplications 1 plus sine theta, just change the sign, rest everything will remain constant. Sine theta by 1 minus sine theta. I guess everybody understood what we are doing in this case. 1 plus sine theta, ये जो वैल्यू है इसी से आपको ऊपर नीचे मल्टीप्लाई करना है, जस्ट आपको ये साइन को चेंज कर देना है. यहाँ पे प्लस था तो हम लोग खाली ऊपर नीचे न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर में माइनस रखेंगे. नाउ अगर हम लोग इसको ब्रिज मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं जस्ट लाइक वी डिड इन अलजेब्रा, दिस इज 1 माइनस sin थीटा, दिस इज आल्सो 1 माइनस sin थीटा, तो हम लोग इसको लिख सकते हैं 1 माइनस sin थीटा होल स्क्वायर बाय. नाउ इफ वी सी दिस इक्वेशन 1 plus sin theta 1 minus sin theta, we know a formula that is a square minus b square, it is a plus b and a minus b. This formula we have studied previously also. Here we are using this formula only. Let us consider 1 as a and let us consider sin theta as b. So from there we can say this is a plus b and a minus b. So we can write this as 1 minus sin square theta. Simple. I guess इसमें किसी को प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. 1 minus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta, it was same. So we are writing 1 minus sin theta whole square by 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta. This is according to a square minus b square, that is a plus b and a minus b. So we are just substituting the formula and we are using a square minus b square. So it becomes 1 minus sin square theta. Now in this case we have gone through one more formula. एक और फॉर्मूला हम लोग को मालूम है जिसमें हम लोग जानते हैं sin स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस cos स्क्वायर थीटा, इसका वैल्यू क्या होता है? इसका वैल्यू होता है 1. ये ट्रिग्नोमेट्री का बेसिक फॉर्मूला है. यहां से अगर हम लोग cos स्क्वायर थीटा का वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करते हैं, देखिए cos स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल्स टू 1 माइनस sin स्क्वायर थीटा हो सकता है, बिल्कुल हो सकता है. अब इसी वैल्यू को हम लोग यहां पुट कर देते हैं. यहाँ पे भी 1 minus sin square theta का वैल्यू कितना आया है? cos. So we can put cos in place of 1 minus sin square theta. So that becomes 1 minus sin theta whole square by cos square theta. I guess there is no problem. Now according to this equation, ये cos जो है वही 1 से भी डिवाइड होगा और ये cos जो है वो sin से भी डिवाइड होगा. इसको अगर हम लोग फर्दर ब्रेक करते हैं, we can write 1 by cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta whole power में 2. 1 by cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta and square we are taking as common. Now you see, if we look at this equation, 1 by cos मतलब क्या होता है? 1 by cos means it is sec theta minus, और sin by cos again a formula, sin by cos if we solve we get tan theta and put the square as it is. Now you can see your left hand side has been proved, that is equivalent to your right hand side, that is sec theta minus tan theta whole square. So LHS is equals to RHS, hence proved. Done.